10 Best Oils for Hair Growth and Their Benefits. Achieving long, luscious, and healthy hair requires proper care, and natural oils can play a significant role in promoting hair growth. Here are 10 oils renowned for their benefits in enhancing hair health and stimulating growth. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most popular oils for hair care due to its rich composition of fatty acids and vitamins. Benefits: penetrates deep into the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and strengthening hair. Keeps the scalp hydrated and prevents dandruff. Acts as a natural conditioner, reducing split ends and breakage. Stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, encouraging hair growth. How to use: massage warm coconut oil onto your scalp and hair, leave it overnight, and wash it off in the morning. 2. Castor oil. Castor oil is thick, rich in ricinoleic acid, and packed with nutrients that promote hair health. Benefits: improves scalp circulation, boosting hair growth. Contains antifungal and antibacterial properties that keep the scalp healthy. Prevents hair breakage and split ends. Adds shine and thickness to the hair. How to use: mix with a lighter oil like coconut oil, apply to the scalp, and leave it for 1 to 2 hours before rinsing. 3. Argan oil. Often referred to as liquid gold, argan oil is extracted from Moroccan argan trees and is highly moisturizing. Benefits: hydrates dry and damaged hair. Protects hair from heat damage and UV exposure. Strengthens the hair shaft and reduces frizz. Promotes elasticity, reducing breakage and encouraging growth. How to use: apply a small amount to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends. 4. Almond oil. Rich in vitamins E, D, magnesium, and fatty acids, almond oil is excellent for nourishing the scalp. Benefits: reduces scalp inflammation and promotes hair growth. Prevents dandruff and dryness. Softens hair, making it less prone to breakage. Adds shine and promotes healthy hair. How to use: massage almond oil onto your scalp and leave it for at least an hour before washing. If you've watched this video this far, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. 5. Olive oil. Known for its hydrating properties, olive oil is a staple in many hair care routines. Benefits: deeply moisturizes the scalp and hair. Reduces dandruff and soothes itchiness. Contains antioxidants that protect hair follicles. Strengthens hair, reducing split ends and encouraging growth. How to use: warm the oil slightly, massage into the scalp, and leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes before rinsing. 6. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil mimics the natural oils of the scalp, making it an excellent choice for hair care. Benefits: balances sebum production, keeping the scalp healthy. Moisturizes hair without leaving a greasy residue. Prevents hair loss by unclogging hair follicles. Encourages thicker and shinier hair growth. How to use: add a few drops to your conditioner or use it as a leave-in treatment. 7. Rosemary oil. Rosemary oil is a well-known essential oil for stimulating hair growth and improving scalp health. Benefits: increases blood circulation to the scalp, stimulating hair follicles. Prevents premature graying and hair thinning. Reduces dandruff and promotes a healthy scalp environment. Encourages new hair growth by improving follicle health. How to use: mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil and apply to the scalp. 8. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is an essential oil known for its cooling sensation and stimulating properties. Benefits: improves blood circulation, boosting hair growth. Provides a refreshing, cooling effect on the scalp. Helps reduce dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. Encourages thicker and fuller hair. How to use: dilute with a carrier oil and massage into the scalp before washing your hair. 9. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it ideal for maintaining scalp health. Benefits: unclogs hair follicles and promotes new hair growth. Reduces dandruff and itchiness. Prevents scalp infections that can hinder hair growth. Leaves the scalp clean and refreshed. How to use. Add a few drops to your shampoo or mix with a carrier oil for a scalp massage. 10. Amla oil. Amla oil, derived from Indian gooseberries, has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Benefits: strengthens hair roots, reducing hair loss. Prevents premature graying. Nourishes the scalp, encouraging faster hair growth. Adds shine and volume to the hair. How to use. Massage the oil into your scalp and hair, leave it overnight, and rinse with a mild shampoo. In summary, natural oils are a fantastic addition to your hair care routine. Regular use can improve hair strength, reduce damage, and promote faster, healthier growth. Select the oil that best suits your hair type and needs, and be consistent in your application to see long-term results. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, bye.